Ladies and gentlemen, we have all woken up to a shock of watchdog social media reports that NCP President Peter Chanda has pulled out of Tonse Alliance. I would like to state that I made a very clear statement last week, and calling this press conference was to confirm that the New Congress Party is beginning to prepare the party for the next coming election and will commence the provincial conferences in the next few weeks or in a month's time. Our agenda is to propagate the message of hope to the Zambian people, and also it is also bordered on the responsibility, huge responsibility, that the former president who entrusted New Congress Party and myself